Can injury law cover damages for emotional distress? In today's fast-paced world, the question of whether personal injury law can cover damages for emotional distress is more relevant than ever. Just yesterday, discussions around this topic gained traction as more individuals seek clarity on their rights after accidents. Many people are curious about how emotional pain can be compensated, especially after traumatic events. Personal injury law recognizes that accidents do not only cause physical injuries but can also lead to emotional suffering. Emotional distress can manifest in various ways, including anxiety, depression, and post-traumatic stress disorder. These conditions can significantly impact an individual's quality of life. The legal system allows individuals to seek compensation for non-economic damages, which encompass emotional distress. This means that if someone suffers emotionally due to an accident caused by another person's negligence, they may be entitled to compensation. To understand how this works, we need to look at the types of damages available. Economic damages cover tangible losses, such as medical bills and lost wages. These are straightforward and can be easily calculated. However, non-economic damages include emotional distress, pain and suffering, and loss of enjoyment of life. These damages are less tangible and can be more challenging to quantify. In many jurisdictions, emotional distress claims are supported by personal injury laws. For example, if a car accident leads to conditions like post-traumatic stress disorder, individuals may pursue compensation for their emotional suffering. The legal requirements for these claims can vary by state, but generally, proof is needed to show that the emotional distress resulted directly from the injury caused by someone else's actions. To successfully claim damages for emotional distress, evidence is essential. This may include medical records from mental health professionals, testimonies from friends and family about changes in behavior, and documentation of any therapy received. This evidence helps establish the connection between the injury and the emotional impact it has had on the individual. Additionally, in cases where a spouse suffers a serious injury, the uninjured spouse may file a loss of consortium claim. This claim acknowledges the emotional and practical effects on the relationship, such as the loss of companionship and affection. While this claim is not solely about emotional distress, it highlights how personal injury law addresses emotional impacts. In summary, personal injury law does allow for damages related to emotional distress. This recognition underscores the reality that emotional suffering is a legitimate consequence of injuries caused by negligence. Individuals seeking compensation should gather the necessary evidence to support their claims and understand their rights under the law.